When you're using a voice experience, you say something and you get something that says no result or I couldn't find anything. That's really unfriendly to the user. There's a better solution with Bixby. We call this relaxation. Let me show you how this works. All right, I'm in the sample capsule. I'm going to ask it to show me blue planets. Run that.
Here are blue planets.
Shows me all the blue planets. How about red planets?
Here is Mars.
Shows me one planet, Mars, the one red planet. What happens if I get silly and ask it to show me purple planets?
I couldn't find any purple planet. Here are the planets in the solar system.
So this didn't say no result. It said, hey, I couldn't find a purple planet, but then it showed me all of the planets in the solar system. What happened with Bixby is called a relaxation there. All right, let's see how you develop that. I'm over here in the Bixby studio, and I got this find planet action here. Check this out. Output this planet on empty. There's these ordered effects. It says drop color, then drop name. What that is a relaxation. It says, if you run this, you get no output, drop the color, rerun it. All right? You get the idea, and that's what gave you the output you saw. But you also saw that dialogue. And indeed, that was two dialogues you saw. The first dialogue was the no result dialogue, which you can see here. Pretty standard way to give a dialogue for no result. So Bixby puts that dialogue up. I couldn't find a purple planet. But then it reruns the action and it shows you the standard dialogue. In this case, it's this bottom one. Here are the planets in the solar system. So it concatenated two dialogues into one when you actually did a relaxation. This is incredibly powerful and a great way to make your capsule more user-friendly. And that's your Bixby Tech Tutorial of the Week.